how to level up your hair game, aka how to have a better hairstyle, how to just make your hair overall look better, feel better, healthier. And there's a number of things I want to go over with you today. And that comes down to products you use, your hair texture naturally, how often you're getting a haircut, what type of haircut. There's a lot that I want to cover in this video. So let's start with your hair type. Now, if you look at this mannequin, you'll see that, oh wow, fairly thick hair, right? It's 100% straight hair. And you may think to yourself, oh, I wish I could have this type of hair. My hair is so curly, or my hair does this. It's frizzy. It's really like coily and super curly, and I don't know what to do. And so you have to understand and embrace your natural hair texture. What does that mean? If you've got pin straight hair, like this mannequin, and you wish you had waves in your hair, well, the only way you can achieve that is simply by getting a perm or some sort of body wave, or manipulating your hair to make it other than what it naturally is, which is straight. So if you want wavy hair, you have to do all sorts of techniques, a chemical process to change it. If you've got naturally wavy hair and you want straight hair, it's the same thing. Anytime you have the opposite of what you want, you have to put some sort of work into it. As someone who's been a professional hairstylist for over 30 years, working on thousands of clients over the years, I've learned this, as best I possibly can from real world experience. My approach to doing a haircut on whether it's a mannequin or whoever is to make sure that it's the right haircut for that hair texture and that hair type. So if you do have a specific hair type, make sure whoever is cutting your hair is giving you the right haircut for your hair type, hair texture, hair length, face shape, all of those things. If you're somebody who's getting a really, really short haircut and it needs to be maintained and cleaned up like every, 3 weeks, and you hate going in to get a haircut, well, guess what? Maybe you shouldn't be having a super short hairstyle or a skin fade. You should be having a different type of hairstyle that you can get it cut once every month, month and a half. Maybe you need to have your hair longer, right? Whatever it is. Take a look at this mannequin right here, right? This is kind of like an alternative version to this hairstyle right here. This is a kind of short, spiky type of haircut right here. You can see it's much shorter throughout the sides, whereas this, it's a lot longer. So it's the same exact hair type, hair texture. It's actually the same mannequin. So the haircut is different. The style is different. So make sure that you're getting a haircut and hairstyle that's going to really suit you, your commitment level to getting a haircut, maintenance and all that kind of stuff. That's really important. Next, hair products. I have a full range of hair products, and they're all created to basically fulfill a specific need, a specific style and texture, all based around my experience as a hairstylist, okay? These products are not made in a kitchen. They're not made, in my bedroom. I'm not some 19-year-old TikToker just like randomly coming out with hair products, and my selling point is, oh, it smells nice. It's all about credibility, brand recognition, and the matter of taste. Who do you really want to purchase hair products from? So the funny phrase, trust a professional. My hair products are designed to really, like I mentioned, fulfill a specific need and a specific purpose. Hair products do matter. From the shampoo, the conditioner, whatever paste you're using, clay, powder, sea salt spray, whatever it is, that all really does play into how your hair is going to feel, how it's going to look, because a styling product or a shampoo and conditioner, that really is the core fundamentals or foundation of how your hair is going to feel. If you're using a shampoo, or you're not conditioning your hair, or you're using something that's very, very drying to your hair, you're not going to have the best results. So please make sure you are purchasing the right hair products. I have my own store, shop shop.thesalonguy.com. You can even shop here on YouTube. Use code YouTube20. You get 20% off. It's a really, really generous discount. And I have a wide variety of products to choose from. You can even ask me questions here if you want. So hair products are really, really, really important. And lastly, what I would say, if you're trying to really make your hair look its best, it comes down to finding the right style. Make sure you maintain the health and integrity of your hair. That all comes down to even dieting, right? Eating healthy. If you're spending a lot of time out in the sun could be drying your hair out. You need to use like my 25 spray or a product that really has a level of conditioning and protection from the heat, from the sun, from the UV rays and all that. It's really, really important. Make sure you're embracing your natural texture. And if you're somebody who is doing so much work to have the opposite type of hair texture, like if your hair is super, super curly and you want it straight like these mannequins all the time, and every single day you're using a straightening iron or a smoothing iron and hairspray, and you're just frying and frying your hair, over time, it's just gonna really, really have an effect on your hair. Don't be afraid to embrace your natural hair texture. It's just finding the right person who you can work with to achieve what's gonna be best for your hair, right? The right haircut, the right hairstyle, what's gonna fit your image. Don't be afraid to express yourself. Don't be afraid to be a little more creative. Grow your hair a little bit longer. It's your hair, it's your head, it's you. So, treat it like you want to, okay? That's pretty much it. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.